Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can buy something on Bricklink. To do this, what you have to do, first go to bricklink.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, just create a new one. I will show you how you can create a new account. For this, first go to this icon from top right. Then here you will see an option create account. Just select it, enter your email address, then you have to create a username, a password, enter your birth date, your location, then select next. Now you have to put tick mark here to agree their terms and conditions, and then what you have to do, you can buy the subscription by email, then select create an account. Now your account will be created, and here you will see your profile. Now after logging in, what you have to do, for example, you want to buy this steamboat, just select it. Now here you can see the details of the river steamboat. Here you can if you want to zoom in, you just press the zoom icon, and here you will see details. Then here you can see item info, its weight, its item, then you can item consists of 400,090 parts. Now if you want to buy it, then select buy. Here you will see the price. Now if you want to buy, then select view. Now select add items to cart. You have to select quantity first, then select add items to cart. Now you select view cart and check out, and enter your bypass. Here you will see your cart, then select proceed to checkout. And this is not supporting my region, so I cannot show you how you can do it here. So just easy these things, and just proceed to checkout and add a payment method, and add follow the prompts, and that's it. That's how you can buy items from Bricklinks. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.